So hey y'all, it's your girl Judy back with another video, period. Hit that notification bell to get notified when I post. So today I'll be doing a jumbo braided ponytail, which, yeah, I'm just be doing a braided jumbo ponytail. So, oh y'all, I wasn't gonna see the Bad Boys for Life yesterday. Go and see it. If you haven't seen it, go and see it. It's that good. So let's get into it. So I got my day-old braid out right here. We just finna mold it right quick, slick it on up. Okay, so first I'm gonna spray the water on our hair. Not a lot, just a little bit. Okay, take our wide tooth comb right here. I'm gonna comb it out. Ooh. Detangle. Come off the back. I already had did mine in the middle part, so I'm gonna do it in the middle this time. But if y'all want to see it like slick back, I can show y'all that one too. Okay, so now it's nice and detangled. That's how much hair I lost. Combing it out. Not that much. Okay, next we're gonna take our Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. Spray it on there. Just so your little hair won't be dry while it's in the spray. You got what I need. Then you could use some of the edge control too. Let's go section it off. Take our medium size scrunchie. Add some more up here, through there. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this part. I'm gonna take it, part it, add the little jam and stuff through each section. So we're just gonna part. Ain't gotta be like no straight part or nothing like that, but you want to make sure you get it in between, because I feel like it make it slicker or sleek. I'll take another piece. You can go back and forth between your edge control and shine jam. It's totally up to you. Show y'all just go for right there. I know other people, they like one part, they have like 3 sections. I just do it this way. I feel like, like to each his own. How y'all want to get your hair split. You ain't gotta always follow what the other person do. Just do what's best for you. I'm gonna do the rest of my head and come back next time to slick it all together. Okay, hey y'all, so I'm back. Okay, so I just molded my hair. Okay, mind y'all, this is my natural hair. It's not like blow dry out of fire, so like it's not as sleek, but I feel like it's a decent amount of sleek. It's not like okay, look like it's sleek look. Don't do too much. That's what you know. To be using some gel, not gel. To be using some ass control and stuff. That's how sleek. That's how sleek mine is. I know it's like, oh my god, sleek. Looks like a decent look. It's neat. Can I turn around so I see the back? This is the back looking like. And, you know, if you want to add a little more edge control to your little sections and stuff, like, you can. Okay, so this is my little ball that I made on top of my head. Okay, so now I'm gonna add that. Okay, so today we'll be using my 54-inch pre-stretched braided hair. Okay, so I got 2 packs. I think it's only like my second time doing the jumbo braid. But the first one I did in the middle. This is what the hell look like. I'll take the little rubber band off. Really nice and thick like this. So yeah, nice and thick. Like this. Take the little straggly ends off. So then we're gonna take our little scrunchie. This little scrunchie right here. We're gonna take it like this. Take these 2 sides. Like this going up, gonna fold one into the other and pull the hair. Pull the hair, get something like this, and have a little loop. So you can attach your hair on. Okay, this will look like. Now we're just gonna take it, attach it to our hair. Okay, so now it's attached. I'm bring it over, all the hair over. Next, we're gonna leave a piece out. You can leave out as much as you would like to. Like that much. That's what we're gonna use for wrap around. Put in your mouth, or you wanna do it. Okay, so we're gonna flip it over to cover our little bun. Then we're just gonna start braiding. Just gonna keep braiding. Keep braiding all the way down to the ends. I want to show y'all like an extra long braid, but I guess this will do for now. Just keep braiding until we get to the end. Because this braid is not extra long like how I had wanted it to be. It's just a short little braid. Bring it up, y'all can see. So I'm braided to the ends, braided to the ends. Braid it all the way down. Bring y'all down some. That's what it look like. And then we'll take our little piece right here. I'll comb it out. Spray some little bit of Got to Be Loose braid. Just gonna take it and start wrapping it. Get close so y'all can see the wrapping. And keep wrapping. 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 And yeah, that's about it. And then you could take some bobby pins. Where's my bobby pins? Oh, you gotta take some little bobby pins and bobby pin it in place. Let me get another little bobby pin. Since it's pre-stretched hair, you can just dip it and it'll be fine. But yeah, but like this will look like. I'll spray a little bit more Got to Be Blue like that. You can, so it can stay. Or spray it on the little wrap around. Hey, y'all need to get y'all some of this. Like this right here is the goat. It's gonna have your hair like froze in the place like all day. This will look like. Oh yeah, I'll be back. I got these cute little. This is my bird. I got this little kit. It comes with the string and the little hair clips. In the shape of a crown. Let me show y'all. In the shape of a crown. Just gonna take some. Just like stick it on them. One. Take another one. Okay, these two are tangled in. I'm gonna take another one. Put it right there. You know, I can put it right if I want to put it. It don't matter. Take another one, put it right there. Oh yeah, that's one of the cute little, these little bobby pins. I mean hair pins. You can take it. Just put it in there. You just put it wherever you want to put it, actually. Put it right. Okay, so let me turn around so y'all see the back. Bring y'all up some. Yeah, that's looking up. It gotta be like, oh my god, just like so sweet. No, it don't. I like it though, it's pretty. Let me turn around the back. This is like in the back. This is like in the back. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.